Welcome back to Interglobal MTB. Today is a special day. I got a box from LC Sign and we're gonna unbox it. Let's open it and hang it and see how it looks. Okay, so if you haven't seen, we've got this guy named Tony from LC Sign that makes funny videos advertising for the company, and just kind of went viral and stuff. So I've seen a few of the videos and I looked into it, just traded some emails back and forth, and anyway, this is him. So
hello, goodbye. Anyways, if you want to start a business on a budget, make sure you go to the Source Factory.
I'm proud to be black.
And I'm proud to be Donald Trump. You know, I've been to China, tremendous place really, and let me tell you folks, there's a way to spot a bad LED sign. It's so simple. Hey, what's up?
We are
gay. Anyways, look at our special logo. It shines bright like a diamond.
anyway, let's unbox this bad boy. Looks like we got a sign here, little remote control, power supply, and the actual sign. Look at that. Yeah, let me not break it before it even comes out. So it looks pretty cool. All right, let's plug this bad boy in and see what happens. All right, here goes. Check it out. Pretty stoked about that. I think I'm gonna leave it not making blinkies and stuff. There, I like that. Very cool. All right, so overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Looks pretty cool. The only issue I see is it being gloss, and maybe it will interfere in some shots, but whatever, it looks pretty cool. The process was pretty straightforward. Sent the initial email, took a week or two to get back to me at first, and then once that initial conversation was started, things went pretty quickly. We went back and forth on the design a little bit. It's pretty simple. No, I didn't get to talk to Tony, and I didn't get him to put my sign in a video. Come on, man. But anyway, got the sign really fast, probably like a week and a half maybe. Not even that. It was sent UPS, so it went pretty quick, and I got it. So let's hang it up. All right, it came with a couple of these chains. So I'm gonna take the chain and stick one here and stick it here, and we'll hang it up somehow. So that wasn't too bad. I hung it up right there, and that's where it's gonna live from now on. So hope you like it. I like it. And you'll see it in upcoming videos if I film in here. So there it is.